Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Grammar. Today is part 2 of episode 5, and this topic is very special because it is about friends.
Let's start. Section 9. Talking about plans with friends.
Friends often talk about plans, very simple plans, not big speeches. Common questions are, what are you doing later? Any plans for today? What are you up to tonight?
Let's learn easy answers. Easy plan answers. Repeat after me. I'm not sure yet. I have no plans. I'm just relaxing. I'm meeting a friend. I'm staying at home.
You don't need details. Short answers are perfect for friends. Example conversation. What are you doing later?
Nothing much, just relaxing. You?
I might watch a movie.
Practice. Repeat. Nothing much. Just relaxing. Maybe later. I'll see. Great.
Section 10. Funny story 4. Alex said yes, but meant no.
Here's another funny one. Alex's friend asked, "Do you want to come with us?"
I wanted to say no politely, but my mouth said, yes, maybe, no, okay,
The friend waited for 10 seconds.
Finally, I said, I don't know what I want.
What we learn.
It's okay to say no politely.
Correct sentences. I can't today. Maybe next time. I'm busy today. Not today, sorry.
Practice. Repeat. I can't today. Maybe next time. I'm busy. Perfect. Section 11. Talking about likes and dislikes.
Friends talk about what they like and don't like.
Very easy sentences. I like coffee. I love movies. I don't like spicy food. I hate waking up early.
You can also say, I'm not a fan of blank.
Practice. Repeat. I like music. I don't like noise. I love weekends. I'm not a fan of mornings. Section 12. Funny story 5. Luna said, I love your dog, to a cat owner. Okay, my turn to be embarrassed. I saw a cute animal and said, I love your dog.
It was a cat.
I almost said I love your dog to a cat owner.
The owner smiled and said, Thank you. It's a cat. What we learn.
If you make a mistake, relax.
Correct sentences. Sorry, I mean your cat. It's very cute.
Practice. Repeat. Sorry, I mean, it's very cute. I made a mistake. Section 13. Reacting like a friend.
Friends react to stories. Here are natural reactions. Oh, really? That's nice. That's funny. Oh, no. Seriously?
Reactions make conversations alive.
Practice. Repeat. Oh, really? That's funny. Oh, no. Excellent.
Section 14. Long friends chat natural. Hey, Alex, any plans for the weekend?
Not really, just relaxing. You?
I might go out with friends.
Nice. Where?
Maybe a cafe.
Sounds good.
Section 15. Speaking practice for you. Answer these out loud. 1. What do you like? 2. What don't you like? 3. What are your plans today?
Speak slowly and clearly. Section 16. Confidence tip.
Friends don't judge your grammar.
They care about connection, not perfection.
You are doing great. Your English sounds friendly and natural.
More jokes, deeper conversations, and final practice are coming.
Before we continue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Miss Grammar.